Hello, my name is Neznaika Sinercha, and I created a Padlet for credible and reliable sources for research. And the objective of this Padlet is a great resource to use for evaluating these resources. Now, if you look at the ASL Learning Standard, it's the Learners A43. And it states that learners act on an information need by making critical choices about information sources to use. And it's for 5th grade. The discussion question is, how do I know if my resource for my research is credible and reliable? And this is important, especially this day and age, because anybody can go on the internet, on any social media site, and post different information. And a lot of people don't know how to tell the difference between it being a credible and reliable source or if it's just something that's made up. So what I have here are some resources, a BrainPop video, a YouTube video to know about reliable resources, a video on how to use the CRAP test, and a video on how to fact check images, Google. And this one is an important one because people use and copy so many items, especially images, from Google, and they need to know that that's not how we use this information. Now, we also have some websites for different sources that they can use. 2 of those, and another one that has a place where you can go to look at fake news sites, and this way they'll investigate 3 to 5 of those fake sites and use some of these tools that are already on the Padlet to evaluate those sites. And the last website that I have on here is an assignment that I want them to look at, and I want them to use the CRAP test to evaluate whether the site is real or a hoax, and they need to justify their answer. I also have some infographics. This is by Code.org, and it's Deceptive Detective. We also have the CRAP checklist and the Evaluating a News article. Now, these are skills that anybody can use in real life, like I said, especially with social media. Anybody can have their own website and make up anything. So you need to make sure that it's a credible source, that you're not just copying things from other people that are not reliable. You want to ensure that students know that the information that they are using is credible and it comes from a credible source. Nowadays, they will use anything just because they think it looks good or they got it from Google. So hopefully this will be a great resource for the students to use.